All right, we're going to turn our attention to the weather forecast right now. And Chris, take a look at this snow coming down. You ready? In all places, California. This is video from Mammoth Mountain in the Sierra Nevadas. They got at least 6 inches overnight and expect more heading into tomorrow.
So they could end up with 3 feet of snow after it's all said and done. Many people saying better them than us, at least at this point in the season.
Relatively speaking, higher elevations, right?
Exactly right.
Yeah.
So these are higher elevations, not completely uncommon. A lot of people always ask, is this any bit connected to our weather? We'll break down what we do know and can know about this one. So let's take a look at the weather maps. Here's that area of low pressure. It's over the state of California. It's brought enough colder air down in. As you can see, the higher elevations, they are experiencing some snowfall. Now, this is a system, we're going to watch it because it's not going to bring us any wintry weather, but it's part of the energy that will bring us some wet weather into the weekend. But they've actually got some active winter storm warnings, higher elevations, and as mentioned, they could be measuring it 2 to 3 feet after it's all said and done. So let's bring it back closer to home right now, where we do have some rain on radar. But what could be interesting with our winter weather season, as we do get a more active jet stream. I noticed this data earlier today. The Great Lakes, all 5 of them are running near record warm. So just look at some of these anomalies. Lake Michigan's 5.5 degrees above average. Lake Erie about 3.8 degrees above average. So as we make that transition into more the winter season that is going to be unfolding, that could kick up some pretty prolific lake effect snows across the Great Lakes region. So that is something that we do watch as we get into the winter season. Nothing like that going to be impacting us in the immediate future, so we don't have to worry about any snow on the pumpkins if you're going to be out at the pumpkin patch. Higher set forecast for Wednesday, mid-60s. It's going to be a dry, cooler afternoon, partly to mostly cloudy skies in the morning, a little more sun into the afternoon. Look at Thursday and Friday if you're trying to beat the weekend rush. Friday close to 70 degrees, mid to upper 70s Saturday, but rain chances will be back as we get into the upcoming weekend. Temperature-wise now, mid to upper 50s. We'll settle back close to 50 for the overnight low tonight. And after clouds early in the day Wednesday, some sun into the afternoon. There's your mid-60s. Staying in the 60s for Thursday, back into the 70s toward the end of the work week and through the start of the weekend. Now, a front that's coming through the area tonight is going to increase the cloud cover. I'm not expecting that we're going to see much of anything on radar. A couple isolated sprinkles or showers, but it's the cloud cover that will be with us the first half of the day Wednesday. We brighten the skies into the afternoon and should turn considerably brighter with more sunshine as we get into the day on Thursday. It'll be a mostly sunny day Thursday. The weekend, that's when we get rain chances back into the area. And I think this is important enough to highlight it right now. Saturday afternoon into Saturday evening, that's when we get the more widespread rain chances ahead of a cold front. And if this front moves through slow enough, it could bring over 1/4 to 1/2 inch of rainfall in some areas, make it close to 3/4 of an inch or more. So we're hopeful we get a decent amount of rain out of this, likely over 1/2 inch though for many areas into the weekend. Tonight, partly cloudy, light isolated shower or sprinkle is not anything of significance, down to 49 the overnight low. Highs into the mid-60s for Wednesday, cooler feels, so have that sweatshirt or jacket along with you. We will be dry Wednesday afternoon, Thursday and into Friday. Next chance of rains into the weekend. Highs on Saturday go surging into the mid to upper 70s. More rain chances Sunday, and then next week falls back into the mid-60s through Tuesday and Wednesday.